Hi, I'm Oliver, the CEO and founder of Villari, and today I'm going to tell you how our system can be used preventively on aging assets. If a bridge or a crane, and today I'm going to tell you how typically a remaining lifetime assessment has to be done. Engineers make a finite element model of the crane or bridge and calculate the remaining lifetime. Usually, hotspot locations are identified on the structure. These are locations where the theoretical fatigue life has been exceeded. After that, an inspection procedure is imposed on that structure, which means inspectors have to go back every this many months to detect if there are no cracks present. By placing our sensor system preventively on all these locations, a surplus of inspections can be reduced. Besides, a better optimized maintenance and repair planning can be made. The final advantage is that you can use your assets potentially a lot longer because you have 24/7 insights into potential crack growth or the absence thereof. That you can use your assets